Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Tjmaxx haul. You guys know I love doing these videos for you guys. They're just so much fun. I love shopping at Tjmaxx. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I have one bag here full of stuff. So I found these products from Pixi. These are the Pixi Skin Treats Nourishing Cleansing Balm with sweet almond oil and cocoa butter. I've heard great things about this, so I was happy to find these at Tjmaxx. So I picked up both of the ones that I found. So these are only $6.99, and I believe these are usually like $20, maybe $25 at like Target and the Pixi website. So I can't wait to try those out. I did get 2 of them. So I found these from Philosophy. This is the Lemon Custard Glazed Body Souffle. You guys, I love anything peppermint, coconut, lemon. Those are my like top like scents. Like sugared lemon is what I like. And that just smells exactly like what this is. Oh, it smells so good. I've never tried any body creams from Philosophy, but I know they're pretty pricey usually. And these were only $14.99 and they're really, really big. So picked up several of those. Got 2 of the big ones, and then I got a smaller one. And I got these 2 deodorants right here. I already have one of these. My mom came to visit and she was using one of these and it smelled like lemongrass. I'm like, you smell like lemongrass. She's like, oh, it's my deodorant. So she showed it to me and I was like, oh my gosh. She's like, I got it at Tjmaxx. And I was like, well, next time I go to Tjmaxx, I'm gonna check. And sure enough, they had these. So I have been using this one already. So this is the second one. I bought 3. So there's one in my bathroom now. Alafia, I'm not sure how to say it. Neem turmeric deodorant. This is lemongrass and charcoal. Safe, clean, effective. They contain shea butter and no parabens, sulfates, phthalates, aluminum, mineral oil, propylene, glycol, triclosan, synthetic fragrance, silicone, or animal testing. So these are a more natural deodorant. I'm always on the hunt for a natural deodorant. So I love the way this smells. I love lemongrass. It smells so good. And so far it's been working pretty good for me. And then I decided to pick up a different one that's one that I haven't tried yet. It's the mandarin and charcoal. And these were $3.99 each. So, and then I also picked up more of these. I've mentioned these in a prior Tjmaxx video. So these are the aromatherapy herbal soaps from Plant Life. You can find these on Amazon as well as plantlife.net. So these are an all natural soap and they're supposed to be ultra moisturizing for face and body. So they're 100% pure and natural. They're 4 ounces. My favorite one is the lemongrass. This one I have purchased several of these and the lemongrass, it's just amazing. The other one I really like is peppermint. And they do have other scents, but these are just the 2 that I like to buy. Can we just talk about, like, I'm crazy. I bought probably like 10 of these. I'm not kidding. Every time I go to Tjmaxx, I look for these, especially the lemongrass one, and I don't always find them. So I had been there like a couple times and they didn't have them. And then I went to a different location and they had a lot of them. And I was like, jackpot. So I have like 2 stacks. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So yeah, I have 12 total. I know I'm a little bit crazy, but I think on Amazon, they retail for around maybe $8, and at Tjmaxx, they're $3.99. So, and they're all natural, which is what I really like. And I do feel like they're moisturizing on my skin. So that's what I like about them. And I picked up this Dr. Bronner's hemp citrus soap. So I like the one in peppermint. That's the one I've tried in the past. I like to clean my makeup brushes with it. But I've also used it as like a body wash, but I wanted to try the citrus because I haven't tried that one before. So picked that up and that was $7.99. I hope this is not like a boring video for you guys because it's mostly like body care and stuff. And then I picked up an essential oil. This one is grapefruit. And this is also by Plant Life. So I like citrusy scents. And then I do have some clothes that I picked up, just a couple things, nothing crazy. These pants are by Celebrity Pink and they're mid-rise ankle skinnies. And they're just blue. And I like the ankle skinnies. Like I like when they cut off right at the ankle, like they're not too long, you know what I mean? So ankle skinnies are my favorite skinny jeans. And these are so incredibly soft and stretchy. I was really happy because I tried on a size 11 and they were actually too big. So I had to get a size 9 and I was very thrilled about that because that means I've lost some weight. So I've been working out really hard at the gym and it's obviously paying off. So yeah, I got those and did I show you the back? Here's the back. Super comfy ankle skinnies. I should have got 2 pairs honestly because I love ankle skinnies. And then I just got a pair of shorts. It's so hot here in Arizona. It's like almost like death wearing pants in the summertime. So I bought these. They're nothing special. They're just super, super comfy. So these are by 1822 Denim. And I like them because they're not super short, but they're not super long either. I like that kind of mid-length short, and then I like how they're kind of fringed at the ends here. And these were $14.99. High tech stretch, super soft. They are very soft and stretchy. Love those. Then I picked up this shirt. Back in the 90s, these were so popular. Like, I remember wearing these shirts. I feel like everything makes a comeback, everything. And I saw this and it just brought back so many memories, but it's like off the shoulder, but it has sleeves. So cute. So I got that. And it's a little bit like, not short, it's not like a crop top or anything, but it like barely goes to the waist of my pants. But since I've lost weight, I'm like, I can totally rock this now. So I was happy. And then lastly, I have some jewelry here. I got this necklace right here. It's made in Italy, and I like these coin type necklaces, and I like this one because it has the toggle in the front. And so they did have this in gold and silver, but I got the gold one, and this is by Mia Fior. I like her brand. A lot of her jewelry is just so pretty at TJ Maxx, and I always pick it up. So yeah, I got that and haven't worn it yet. Still has the tag on it. And then I picked up this one online, this ring. I have a thing for these types of rings, but this is by Theo Cali, which is another brand that I really like from TJ Maxx. So these are made in Mexico. It's sterling silver, and I just like these types of rings. I recently reviewed one from a company, and I don't know, like I said in that video, I'm just into these kind of rings right now. So this bracelet right here, I like cuffs and I like them to be like fitted to my wrist. So this one is again by Mia Fior, made in Italy, and it's 14 karat gold, sterling silver with 14 karat gold. It does have amethyst and gold and sterling silver. Do you see how pretty that is? Beautiful. It opens up like this. So I just thought it would pair nice with my other like ball bracelets here that I never take off. So yeah, I picked that up. Purple's my favorite color, so I like that it has the amethyst on there. And then lastly, I got this necklace. This is by Argento Vivo sterling silver, probably made in Italy, I'm not really sure. It's another like coin necklace. And so you can turn it either way. And then I like the chain because it has little balls on it. Let me just take it out of this thing here. So there's like little balls on the actual chain, but they're gold. So it's two-toned, which I really love. Those are all the things that I recently got at TJ Maxx. Plus I've been shopping for home decor because we recently got a new couch and a table, and I've been trying to find some decor for all of that. So I thought I might film a video on that. I'm not sure yet. We shall see. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.